evening, everyone. Today I am going to be doing a birthday card for one of my co-workers, and I have pretty much done everything, the preliminary work, so it will definitely help with the length of the video. But once I'm done, you'll see what we have, and if you do like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel. So basically what I did was I used some wood letter die cuts, which I do have, and I punched out the name both in white and in orange because I'm going to layer the name. Then I also cut out this pattern here, a die cut that I do have, but because of all the little holes and everything, I wanted to make sure I had it cut out before I started the video. I'm going to be using orange as my base color. I do have a cake. I had a die cut as well, so I'm going to be using this, and of course I'm going to be using just regular like dollar store markers just to color up the cake once I have it on the card. So to get started off, I'm just going to simply go ahead and attach this to the front of the card like this. So I will start off, I will just use this right here. Now I am actually using photo paper because I have been having like cameras that I've purchased in the past, and like with every camera that I have purchased, there would be a bunch of photo paper in there. So I had it just piling up, and I said, okay, let's see if we can use it for the card making. So looks like it came in pretty, as you can see, that's it looks a lot better the way it is right now. So what I'm going to do, I will go ahead and attach the cake right here. In that way, I will be able to like color it in a little bit. So let me go ahead and get that done. Trying to make sure everything stays, because some parts come out. And I will just go ahead and put just a little bit of glue to the top so we can keep the candles from coming out. Okay, so let's get that put on. Okay, so you see it's white on white, so I want to give it some color. So right now what I'm going to do while it's drying up, I will just go ahead and color the... Okay, so since this is actually a white and orange card, I'm going to just perhaps do this right now. Okay, so this is your cake so far. Let's go ahead and attach the name on there. So I'm going to go ahead and put the white underneath. I've just put the name at the bottom right here so you can see the name. I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and put the orange on top. So there I have rubbing on the end, and it just has that bit of glitter that I like, you know, that shine because of the photo paper. So what I will be doing, I will go ahead and I will be putting a happy birthday up here. Again, I'm going to be using perhaps a bit of paper. I'm going to just put happy birthday on here, but what I'm going to do for now is I'm going to go ahead and put the sentiment in so you can see. So I'm just going to pull it up here, and I will use my tool here to get the sentiment in. So while the other side is drying, then that's what we're going to do. Just going to center it right here, and I normally use kind of like this Craft Smart. I like it. I mean, it dries pretty quickly. I don't have a problem with it, but you know, there are other, you know, like VersaFine ink and things like that, waterproof inks that work best. But I do like this one because it dries very, very quickly. It's the Craft Smart ink pad. It's washable, but I like it anyway. Hopefully no one will wash the card to see if it comes off or not. So it's pretty much dried up right now. So this is basically just the you know, the pattern and the decoration is very simple. Yes, I have the die cuts, but really and truly, you know, it doesn't have to be that, you know, that fancy to come out with just a pretty card. So there you have it. It is a pretty little card for a co-worker, and I just kind of like the shimmer it has on there. Okay, so again, if you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave the comments there for me. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. So with that said, do have a wonderful rest of the day, a wonderful and favored weekend, and awesome days at work. Bye bye.